Maximum John Cooper Works performance. In keeping with past John Cooper Works models, the latest Mini John Cooper Works Convertible retains previous generations' anticipated go-kart handling and performance. The Mini John Cooper Works is powered by a 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-power turbo engine, which produces 231 bhp and 380 newton-meters of torque. Compared to the Mini Cooper C and Mini Cooper C Convertible, both models receive an additional 74 bhp. The Mini John Cooper Works Convertible accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 6.4 seconds and reaches a maximum speed of 152 miles per hour. The latest John Cooper Works models have a dual-clutch automatic transmission and an improved suspension system that enhances handling, enabling more dynamic acceleration. A purist design exterior. The iconic exterior appearance of the Mini Cooper has remained consistent in these latest models, but elevated further to meet the high standards of the John Cooper Works badge. For the first time, a centrally mounted single-exit exhaust system is offered alongside a sculpted black rear diffuser, red JCW-branded brake calipers, and additional alloy wheel options. The Mini John Cooper Works Convertible is standard with chili red exterior paint, 17 JCW Sprint spoke alloy wheels, and a choice of 7 additional body colours optionally, including model-exclusive Cooper Grey. Cars have an option of jet black or chili red mirror caps, while LED headlights, with daytime horizontal JCW-specific running lights, come as standard to complete the exterior. Race-inspired interior. The purist design of the exterior continues throughout the interior, with a Veskin chord combination in JCW black with red accents. The John Cooper Works seats are upholstered in black synthetic leather with knitted red stitching, providing firm support for dynamic driving. A knitted surface on the dashboard and seats offers a checkered flag pattern, nodding back to John Cooper Works motorsport roots. Stainless steel pedals and a JCW sport steering wheel with a branded 6 o'clock fabric spoke to complement the exterior. The interior is focused on the high-resolution OLED display and toggle bar found in the rest of the Mini family. The new 24cm central instrument display provides relevant information at all times and can be easily operated by the driver and passenger. Mini experience modes, vivid, core, green, timeless, balance and personal, allow the ambience in the interior to be customized to personalize the cars further. The new JCW mode additionally shows performance-related data, including power, torque, engine temperature and a G-force meter. Offering an increase in standard specification, both models receive Level 1 as standard, which includes a head-up display, wireless charging, high beam assist, heated front seats and exterior mirror package. Each model additionally receives Harman Kardon as standard. Advanced assistance systems, both John Cooper Works variants, are well equipped as standard to support the driver. Thanks to 12 ultrasonic sensors and 4 surround view cameras, the vehicle can identify real-world traffic conditions, such as automatic speed and distance control, as well as aiding the driver when it comes to parking, offering the chance to indicate automatic parking maneuvers independently as a part of Parking Assistant Plus. Sensors also help the driver when driving at high speed, with steering and lane keeping as standard. Equipped this way, the Mini John Cooper Works models combine dynamic driving fun with safe comfort and usability for daily driving. The Mini John Cooper Works Convertible is now available to order from retailers. Prices start from £36,580 OTR. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news and reviews.